The new Ecotex R 2024 regulation came into full effect on April 1, 2024, which further restricts the use of PFAS in textiles. In the future, C8 and C6 water repellents will probably be phased out of history. So, can non-fluorinated waterproofing agents meet the high demand for waterproofing performance of textiles? Although non-fluorinated waterproofing agents do not have oil repellency, some of them have shown good water repellency comparable to that of C6 water repellents. Texnology M630, a non-fluorinated waterproofing agent with excellent overall performance. Let us show you its durable water repellency on skiwear fabrics. Combining environmental protection and protective properties, Texnology M630 non-fluorinated waterproofing agent brings a higher and safer waterproofing experience to textiles.